Hello everyone, I am Chase here at Rocky Mountain ATV coming at you with the Nitro Mousse from Neutech. Alright, so today we're taking a closer look at the Nitro Mousse foam inserts coming from Neutech. So the Nitro Mousse is going to be an ideal option for riders of any discipline that want to completely and 100% eliminate the chances of getting a flat. Now if you're not familiar with the mousse insert, you're probably wondering, well, how does that work? Well, just looking at these, you can see quite a bit different than your stock inner tube. Okay, these are a solid foam insert injected with nitrogen, and once you have them installed, you do not inflate them. So there's no chance of you getting a pinch flat, and even if you were to, say, tear the sidewall of your tire, you're still gonna be good to go. So these are ideal for off-road riders and racers, and also remember that even a lot of professional motocross teams and racers will use mousses as well. Now we have a couple different options you can choose from on our website, but this Nitro Mousse from Neutech does have some cool features that I think really make them stand out. So that's what we're gonna talk about. So the first thing we're gonna cover is gonna be longevity. So there's a lot of riders out there that like mousse inserts, but they have a hard time justifying the cost because they typically do have a shorter lifespan. But something cool that Neutech has done, they've done a lot of different testing, they test a lot of different formulas for their foam, and they've come up with this proprietary blend, again, it's filled with nitrogen, that they say gives 2 times the lifespan of your traditional mousse insert. Now, when it comes to these, heat is public enemy number 1. As they get hot, they start to break down, and that foam breaks down. So they're saying that their blend of foam is much more resistant to heat and friction, which is giving you double that lifespan. Now, the other feature, too, we got to talk about is the feel. Okay, mousse inserts have a reputation for having more of a dead feel to it. It definitely doesn't feel the same as just a tire and tube setup, but using their blend of foam along with that injected nitrogen, Neutech says that you're going to get more of that lively feel to it. So it's going to have that pneumatic feel. So it's going to feel similar to a tire and tube setup. And a lot of riders will ask, well, how does this feel as far as PSI goes once you have it installed? Just know that once you have these set up, it's going to be similar to running about 12 PSI in your tires. Now, there are a couple things you do want to keep in mind with these, okay? They're designated for off-road use only, so you don't want to go over 75 miles per hour with these installed. And the other is with install. They're going to take a little more work than installing just a regular tube. So if you've never installed a set before, maybe you just want to freshen up your skills, we do have a how-to video where we show you step-by-step how to do that. And last thing we got to cover is sizing. It is critical with the Nitro Mousse that you get the size that Neutech recommends. So when you're looking at these on the product page, look at the sizing chart, and they will actually tell you what size you should order according to your tire and rim size. You don't want to just order the same size as, say, your rear tire. For example, if you had, say, a Battlecross X20 Bridgestone, okay, for a 120/90/19 tire, depending on your rim size, there's going to be a different part number. So it's very critical. Look at that chart. We even have a how-to video where we walk you through step by step how to make sure you do select the correct size. But there it is. That is the Nitro Mousse foam insert coming from Neutech. Again, ideal choice for any discipline of riding if you want to completely and 100% eliminate the chance of getting a flat tire. If you guys do have any questions, you can comment below. Give us a call or chat live online. We'll get your questions answered. And to pick up your set, you can click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Remember, use that sizing chart. Orders over $75 ship free. If you guys like this product spotlight, you want to see more like it, well, do yourself a favor and click and subscribe. I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain, and we'll see you on the trails.